Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your TCL Tab 10. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, find the app called Microsoft Edge. It's this app right here. Let's install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. From here, we can customize it by signing in to turn on synchronization between other devices or other browsers. I'm gonna do it later. Here you can either enable or disable data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disable them and proceed. The last option is to set Microsoft Edge as your default browser or skip it by pressing on Now. Let me set it. Here, find Edge and set as default. Now we should be able to open any website. And as you can see, it works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.